everybody, I got my first upgrade since my accident. This is my Caliber9 grill. It's been wrapped really well. It's got these staples. I've already got 2 of them out, so I'm gonna keep pulling these out, and I'm gonna open this up for you guys to show you what it looks like. All right, I got the first flap. Oh, I still got one more staple right there. Okay, I got that part. Now I just wanna finish these and then flip it over and flap it open. That way it's not all over the place, because I think I'm still gonna get this painted. All right, okay, I got it open and it's bubble wrapped pretty good here. I'm gonna inspect it, make sure it's all good. So hold on, it looks like wiring harness. Oh, tape off of there. Let's see what this looks like. Looks like they already got the light installed. Okay, so this is the Caliber9 grill for your F-150 2015 to 2017. So this is a 20-inch light bar, and this has got the fixing for my front-facing camera. Caliber9 logo right there. Nice mesh grill. And this satin black one matched my rest of my truck really nicely. I guess I don't have to get this painted, but that's what it looks like. I'm super excited. Alright, so to be continued. Okay, there it is flipped over. So the front facing camera is going to be on the bottom. And this thing looks sick. I can't wait to put this on. Alright you guys, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.